Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Volume Part 1 Worksheets. So this video presents some worksheets on finding the volume of selected 3D objects. We've had a lesson on this very topic. So if you're not sure what to do, you can go to the last slide. There is a link. If you click on that link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. Also, on the second last slide, I've given all the answers to these problems so you can see how you went. I'll leave this particular slide on for about a minute or so before I move on to the next slide, but you can keep this slide on for as long as you like. I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. I'll leave it on for about a minute or so, but you can pause it for as long as you like. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide now, and here are the answers. Now you can check your answers here when you finish all the problems, and then you can see how you went. I'll leave this on for about a minute or so before I can move on to the last slide. I'll move on to the last slide now, and you can click on the link if you need any help.